Hey everyone, it's Duncan from overlandjournals.com. Today I wanted to talk about a problem I had with my 80 series and dust coming in from the back of the vehicle. It was quite a problem. Look, it was also age related, the seals getting old. So during one of my earlier trips, one of the problems I had was when I came back, or during the trip itself, the inside was packed with dust, mainly coming through the bottom end of the tailgate. That's where a lot of dust gets kicked out from the wheels. So when I got back from that first trip, I replaced all these rubber seals. They had worn out over the. It's a 1997 model, so over that period of time, it's lost its functionality. So I changed it. I got some original Toyota rubber seals, and I replaced them, and that reduced the problem, but not entirely. It was only reduced by about 70%. I still had problems with dust coming through, and then eventually I found a solution. I got myself one of these from Clark Rubber. It was self-adhesive foam sealant tapes, and what I did was I put it around the tailgate here as additional support to the rubber seals, and I put this self-adhesive tape right around the edge of the tailgate, and that worked a treat. That's worked perfectly. And during my recent trip on the Udawatta track, I had absolutely no dust coming in, absolutely nothing at all. Some dust did come in eventually. That's because we had windows open, little air in, so that brought in the. But apart from that, nothing came in from here. So if you're looking for a way to seal your dust problem, this could be one option. I'm sure there are other ways to take care of the problem, but this is one of them. So think about these. So I hope you found that video useful. I thought I'll share that information. It might be helpful to you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, and I'll bring you another useful vlog in time to come. Thank you for watching.